VST here, welcome back to yet another episode of The Switch. Because today guys, I'm switching from this, which is the Huawei Watch GT3, to this, which is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So what do we have here guys? We have sapphire, we have titanium frame, we have almost 600 mAh battery, we have EGC, we have also blood pressure, right? So it's a Pro version, of course. There are some nice features, and yeah, of course, for me what is really very important is, can I get rid at least like 2, 3, 4 days battery, right? So this here is a beast. I was using this for a month right now. 10 days of battery guys, not a problem at all. I know already that this cannot do 10 days, but will it do at least 4? Let's see. But in this episode of The Switch guys, I'm going to remove my Huawei Watch GT3 and I'm going to just take the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and bundle it to my beloved S23 Ultra, and yeah, let's just see how this goes. Oh god. Bad drop. Alright, let's start. Here it is guys, that's the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Luckily it survived my big drop, didn't really go according to my plan. I'm gonna show you what I have inside the box, and then of course, yeah, just give you a tour, and very importantly, also do the first installation. There is also this very nice wireless charger inside, and practically that's it guys. I'm just going to remove now this watch and get rid of the packaging. This is the design. Honestly, I'm impressed. I've used Samsung Galaxy watches. I think I had a version 3, and I was swimming inside the sea with it. Didn't really go well. But this here weighs only 47 grams, like 46.5 grams, guys. This was released some months ago, last year, I think around summer in the August. 50-meter water resistant, guys. It should have the ECG, so certification, meaning that you probably can monitor heart rate whatsoever, also blood pressure. And yeah, let's, without any further ado, guys, just try to start it. This here is the LTE version, which is even better. Okay, Samsung. I'm just gonna put it there. Even better because you can use also an eSIM, which means that at some point, if you go outside to do some sports, you pretty much can get rid of your phone. And if your phone is like my phone, the S23 Ultra, which is like a heavy brick, yeah, eSIM is not a bad function. So the LTE version, Super AMOLED display, guys, 1.4 inches, I think around 330 ppi pixel density. What is very important, guys, it has sapphire crystal on top of it, and this version has a titanium frame. But as my dear friend Sharky tells me in one of the Telegram channels, titanium, yeah, it's a bit soft, so let's just hope that I'm not gonna hit it. By the way, there are really very good cases from Spigen, but it's a whole lot of video, guys. Galaxy Watch Pro, a new device hadn't been found. And of course, guys, one of the motivation for me to change my beloved Huawei to this is just, yeah, I mean, why not hook me up into the Samsung system more and more? Sadly, I missed the first notification, guys, so I think what I should do, I'm just going to open the Galaxy wearable and hopefully try to pair the watch with my phone using the wearable, because again, I missed the first notification. I don't want to really reset the watch. So I'm just gonna hit add a new device. Boom, there it is, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I'm going to select it. Now let's just see what is gonna happen, guys. Okay. Oh, vibrations or haptics already quite nice. I'm just gonna confirm that. This here is apparently my initial setup, but I was speaking about the screen, guys. It has a Super AMOLED display, 1.4 inches, 450 by 450, so it's rather like a big screen, at least to my understanding. So I'm just going to allow some stuff here. Downloading software, the Galaxy Watch 5 Manager. So have in mind, guys, one of the things I read this online, and I know this from experience, if you have a Galaxy phone, Galaxy Watch would be nice, but if you have a Galaxy Watch and you don't have a Galaxy phone, then you're gonna miss on some of the nice stuff, guys. So yeah, you should have this in mind. I'm not 100% sure what works outside of the Samsung ecosystem, meaning One UI. It's really a bad thing. Oh, wow, could not set up the watch. Okay, disappointing, guys. Call on camera, right? I called it right on camera. Not the very smooth experience that we are used to, you know, massaged by Samsung and all these bigger brands to get a seamless experience. So the first time I tried to set it up, it didn't really go well. And right now I'm experiencing some further issues. Couldn't pair. This is really very strange. Now, I'm not sure I'm not able to pair my watch, but you know what? I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna try this one more time. Communication failed. Yeah, I mean, it's like the watch very far away from my phone or what? I don't really get this. But provided that my watch had to download the Galaxy watch manager. This might be also the reason, so let me just try for the third time. Okay, now I'm gonna select here the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Check the number on your watch. All right, it's the same number, absolutely, so I'm just confirming it here, both, and let's hope that I'm not gonna get a connection. I don't want to send any data, so I'm just gonna hit the continue, and okay. Oh, not thank you so much. Okay, I'll probably leave this in. Now guys, have this in mind. You need to download the Samsung wearable. There's the application, and it has these different plugins for, let's say, the watch manager, and also for your buds headphones, if you of course are using Samsung Galaxy Buds. One of the main things, guys, I wanted to test also this new famous battery widget. Apparently now I'm going to be able to see the battery on from the watch here on my phone, getting all account info. Wow, very nice fancy animation. Now it was not 100% seamless, you've seen the hiccups. And signing in, let's just see where this menu is going to take me, and let's just see if there are any updates. The previous owner only used it for a few days, so yes, that's not brand new, guys. I bought it off the second-hand market because, yeah, it's just simply cheaper, right? It costed me €200, quite nice with the LT version. Restore your watch with Samsung Cloud. Oh no, definitely not. This was my last watch, guys, the Galaxy Watch Active 2. But you know what? You know what I'm gonna do, guys? You know what? Let me just, I'm gonna restore it. I am going to restore it. Why not? For the fun of it. Let me restore my alarms from 2 years ago. Almost 3 years ago. Always stay connected by setting up a mobile plan. Well, yeah, I don't really have an eSIM in my card, which means I can use this. But I've been told if I'm able to get an eSIM to my physical SIM, I'm able to share the eSIM or eSIM directly from here to here, meaning that's if I go outside and run, I can only do this with my watch. Not that I'm running, of course, but okay, the options are there. By the way, guys, it's interesting to also mention this is using the Android Wear OS 3.5, and also, of course, on top of it, yeah, One UI Watch 4.5. It has an Exynos W920 5nm, which is actually quite nice. Dual core, 1 and 18 gigahertz, so 1180 gigahertz, Cortex A55, guys. It has also a GPU. It's like a small phone GPU, Mali G68, 16GB of storage, guys, and 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. It has a very nice connectivity support, the Wi-Fi, the ABGM, the dual band, but also the Bluetooth 5.2 and ADP. It has also the LE, like low efficiency, low energy Bluetooth thing. It has GPS, GLONASS. I mean, NFC, it's full connected, right? Valiant Watch 5 Pro, battery 83%, 3 days left. Okay, 81%, again, 3 days left. All right, guys, let me just give you a tour, and now I'm just going to initiate the switch. And don't get me wrong, the Huawei Watch GT3 was and still is a perfect choice. I can also do calls here. I can go inside this menu and, you know, do like some fancy stuff, like pretend to be an Apple Watch user. Let's just see how it's here. So, take a tour of your watch. I'm gonna press the start button. Wow. Swipe down from the top panel to open the quick panel. Okay, yeah, bedtime. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. Okay, now I think I got it. This is like this, is like that. Oh, yeah, you see? see, oh my god. Everybody's trying to look like this. Swipe down to go back to the watch face. Okay, I got it. For notification, I have to swipe right. Let's just see. Yep. Tap to open a notification. Okay, let's simulate. I have notification. Swipe right from the edge to go back. Okay, so there are some gestures, and I know there are very nice gestures outside. Swipe back to go to the watch face. Okay, I'm swiping back. For tiles, swap left. Okay, what is tiles? Oh, we have this fancy stuff, guys, like this on Huawei. You can just see, guys, the Huawei is really flawless, like no lag whatsoever. Press the home key to go to the watch face from any screen. Okay, it's just like a home button. That's it. Enjoying it? All right. Let me just go and check my tiles. Daily activity. Oh my god. See here, guys. This is really good. Like Kirin is good. Okay, activities, route, body composition, sleep, weather. Let me just add. Oh, directly found the weather. This watch is very smart. Okay, yeah. So we're here. So some precipitation, which is good. Easter Monday. Okay, the calendar, the blood pressure. This is very good, and also the EGC, guys. This is, and the heart rate and the stress. And they got me really sold. To reorder apps, touch and hold. Okay. Now I'm missing the, I'm already missing like this fancy feature where I can go here and do like this. But I mean, this watch is actually smart, and whoa, we see also that we have a Play Store, which means that I'm finally able to download as many apps as I want, provided that it works, because that's barely not what we see here. So maybe Play Store not gonna start like this. Something, guys, that I was missing here since Mr. Trump decided to ban Huawei. I'm no longer able to download the Spotify client and listen to my favorite jazz music when I go to my bed. First thing I'm gonna do, actually, I'm going to directly download Spotify. I know it may sound silly, guys, but when I go to my bed and, sometimes I just want to listen to some music, not with the headphones, not from my phone, just here from my watch. Okay, but enough is enough, guys. Let me just see what we can do with the application now. So I'm gonna go outside, guys. How does this work? Again, like I told you, you need to have the Galaxy wearable. All right. Then here you're gonna have like the Watch 5 Pro and the buds. And if I go now to my favorite, yes, the Valiant's Watch 5 Pro. Okay, you can see it here. And if I'm to bring my buds, I can finally get also my buds here. Okay, still installing. So that's at least nice. So now let me go back to the watch menu. I just want to see what else I can do. I don't really like this circular watch faces, so I'm gonna go for something more digital, informative. Okay, this is actually quite nice. Oh, ha! Digital dashboard. This is exactly what I have here. Almost. So one more time. Yep. Okay, so finally, guys, here we have some nice multitasking, which is very good. And now, while Spotify is downloading, guys, let's try to appreciate the design. It looks quite nice. This is really a nice product, and you know what? I'm just gonna put it on my hand. And don't get me wrong, guys, this design was already very good. So yeah, I'm just going to leave my old hero here and probably also try to compare them, guys. I mean, they are really not so different, but you can just see this is a very noticeable difference here. The screen on the Huawei is very open, right? And of course, yeah, imagine when you just do like this, twist again, I mean, you get a point. As to here, this is something really weird, and I don't recall seeing this design so much. It has this open border like a lid here. It looks also weird, but I kind of like the display, and I have a feeling also probably display is a bit, I'm not sure, probably a bit smaller than this one here. But it is what it is, guys. So let me just try to put it on my hand. Oh, God. Some tweaking is required for you to just get it right and aligned. The moment you got this, guys, it's gonna be a pleasure. Wow. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah. I'm loving it. Honestly, I do love the way and feel. Yep, let's just see what happened also to Spotify, guys. Remember, I was downloading Spotify. I now want to open it. I just want to see how easy it is to pair it to my phone. I have now opened Spotify on my phone, guys. Pair now. All right, let's just test the volume, guys. Of course, don't expect any bass whatsoever. Here. Alright, I can go back on the menu and listen, of course, using multitasking, so Spotify is gonna work on the background. And I figure out that if I double press this, I'm gonna go back to my open apps. And of course, I can now go and transfer this to my headphones or even to my phone. See here. Let me show you what else we can do from the menu here. So apparently those are the watch faces. Yeah, now there are plenty of those, and I also remembered to get more watch faces. Yes, the good stuff, right? Matteo Dini, one of the master. I remembered working also with this guy, or at least chatting with him on Telegram. I was doing some videos back in the days for the Galaxy Watch 2. I need to get back into contact with him whatsoever to see how this goes. I remember there were some promo codes on Telegram. Yeah, like always. So watch faces is clear. We also have the up screen and okay, this reminds me on, yeah, all right, funny design. So apparently, guys, you can now, let's say, just drag and put it there. Let me show you. If I go here, I want to bring, let's say, Spotify up above. All right, up above like this. No, even more. No, come on, even more. All right, here, just up to the front. Maybe it needs some time to save. I need to save it, of course. And now, yeah, Spotify is here. Okay, so you can apparently change the apps. Also, you have the tiles, guys. There are plenty of tiles. Probably some of those I'm never gonna use. Together, water, woman's health, weather, war clock. Okay, all the good stuff. here, and of course you have the quick panel, which is also very good that you apparently are able to modify these settings. All right, the cell mode and this and that. So let me just delete that one. Boom. And I just saved. Oh, okay, now it's gone. So let me just try to put it back because I love to have my sound mode. So I'm gonna put it there. And yeah. Now the question is, how can I move it back? I want to have it here instead of the flashlight. So I'm just gonna hold it. Does it work like this? Touch and hold, of course. Okay, not here. One more time. Okay, instead of flashlight. Save it. Thank you so much, Samsung. Very clever. Okay, it's here. And apparently you have these main 4 menus like watch faces, up the screen, touchscreen panel. There are also some watch settings. And you know, why I like this, guys, this looks really very standard. Samsung One UI, of course it is. So advanced features is something I need to do probably a few more videos, because there are some nice things like answering calls and even, you know, using your voice and using Bixby and all of this, and also some crazy good gestures. Battery. Is this now the battery for the watch? This is now indeed the battery for the watch. It really looks definitely standard, like really you're using a standard Samsung product. I love this. This is the store from where you can download some very nice stuff and of course pay for them. And before I close the video, guys, I want to do some reading. So let me just first do the ECG one and then probably take a blood pressure reading. Okay. Let's see how this is going to work. So you need, of course, oh, I have to download the application. Yeah, I told you guys. All right. Oh, no, wait. I need to also install the watch application too. A very important reminder again, guys, if you use this product and you don't have a Samsung phone, then most probably you're not going to be able to use some of the functions, which is actually a pity. Turn off Wi-Fi on your watch. Okay, what? I'm already downloading it. What is happening here? Please, Samsung Health. Okay, so now follow the instruction on the applications. And you know, there were times this didn't really work in the regions. We had to change CSCs and firmwares. It was really a pity. So let's just see how this is going to work right now. I'm not going to do any kind of manipulation. I'm even not sure if this is going to work in my region. Rest finger light on the home key. Okay, it's there. Oh, okay. Why? Very nice, by the way. So this is my result here, guys. Yeah, you can share it apparently, and you can also do the same with the blood pressure, but then you need also to calibrate it with a real device. So it's very, very good that these things really work out of the box, because I remember those times where they didn't really work out of the box. So I'm gonna be very eager to test this watch and of course share with you my findings, guys, about the battery life, about the performance, and about the convenience whatsoever. So VST, guys. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you know, sapphire titanium. I mean, yeah, you just pretty much feel like an Iron Man. I really hope that you like videos like this, and if that's the case, guys, don't forget to support the channel and stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And this baby goes for sale. VST over and bye.